well, I'll be in a position in a few years' time, if I want to or not, to be able to sell that and retire and pass the baton on to someone else, and the business would be in a better state of organisation and discipline within the business. It's all round. It's a good thing. We were doing okay, but we were sort of turning over 120k. There's 2.5 people, 2.5 people in the company. In the company, so we had money. You know, I didn't need it, but it was not driven by monetizing what we did. But I felt the need to for coaching, because it was something that I needed to get the business in a state that we could have an option. I could step out of the business and the business would run itself with myself not in it. And everything I tried previously kind of didn't work, but I was coming to an age now where I felt I had to do something. So a cold call out of the blue. I thought, oh, okay, very skeptical, like some other colleagues I know, very skeptical, but it actually was, as I said before, was the best decision I ever made. He'll be upset me telling this. He's a bit like my dad. You know, he give you pocket money, but if you don't clean your room, you get into trouble. And he sets you tasks and chores. You think, oh God, I really don't want to do that. But when you do it, miraculously things get better organisationally in the company, financially in the company, setting targets. It's kind of we've gained enough momentum now and got enough client base that it just keeps going, and I'm starting to do less of the hands-on work, more of running the business. It's a lot more stable, it's got a lot more structure in it, and we're held to account. Accountability is the key word, where I was like a leaf in the wind before, you know, having a great time, but being accountable financially and to the staff and to our clients is the biggest change. Well, I've got the figures. The first year we were sort of turning over 120, which isn't bad. There's two full-time people and a part-time operator. And our overheads are very low. And then the first 12 months of coaching, the first year's results came in. It was £249,000, just under 250. Which was double our turnover, and the results this year are going to be around about £500,000, but we've still got 2.5 people. Yes, I'm more relaxed about things, and I'm letting some bad memories of the past dissipate, and I'm just focusing on the future. It's exciting for me because I'm going to looking to do less and less hours, spend more time with my family, because my daughter's grown up for the most part without me being there, because I'd be here in evenings and weekends and I'd come home late. And in that sense I regret that, but I'm hoping to build a better future for her.